Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to indent paragraph in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document and take some text. Now we want to indent paragraphs. Select the paragraphs. Click and drag on our mouse. Then select the hanging indent and move it. Then we can see we indent the paragraph very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.